Tonight, we're getting a closer look at the impact a court case involving Dothan police could have. That case making it all the way to the U.S. Circuit Court, just one step short of the Supreme Court. The ruling involves an independent journalist who sued two Dothan police officers and the city after being handcuffed for filming in a government building. The journalist claims his rights were violated, but the court ruled in favor of the officers. Tonight, WDHN's Robert Smith takes a look at what the ruling could mean for future cases.
After 4 years of a matter in circuit court, the 11th Circuit of U.S. Court Appeals ruled that two officers, D. Bridges and J. Dobson, in the lawsuit did not violate the rights of an independent journalist and activist, George Metz, in 2020.
It's binding precedent. The 11th Circuit said it, therefore we're all bound by it. I think this was more of a fact-driven opinion other than just a general opinion of the legal principle of law in this capacity.
Metz and another person representing Bolt Action News walked through the door of the Department of Human Resources, a public building, filming in the lobby, claiming he wanted to see how governments are operating in the COVID-19 pandemic. However, was confronted by the security guard and employees.
Sir, please step out of the building.
This is a public building.
It is not a building where you can be recording. Could you please step out of here, please?
Yes,
You've got children that go through that building. The DHR officers were obviously, or employees were obviously concerned, and they should be if someone's filming.
Metz said it was his right to film as he was a part of the press, and after refusing to step out of the building for recording after being asked 6 times, they called the police.
You got your ID?
For what crime?
What's your name?
What crime?
I am telling you to provide me with your information. All right, we're gonna make this real simple, guys. Provide me with your information. All right, we'll just do this.
seriously?
Yeah, seriously. Drop the camera.
Although the men were only handcuffed for nearly 30 minutes, Metz say they violated his Fourth Amendment right by handcuffing, asking for his ID, and searching him. Fowler says in this case, the men were believed to be trespassing.
In other words, if the police have reasonably suspect someone's committing a crime or about to commit a crime or a public offense or anything of that nature, they have a right to demand the name, address, and explanation of his actions.
The ruling reversed a lower court ruling that did not make officers liable for their actions, and Fowler says it could have been a different outcome for the plaintiffs if they didn't represent themselves.
The plaintiff has got to show that the officer or officers violated a clearly constitutional right, and the right was clearly established at the time that the misconduct occurred.
In Dothan, Robert Smith, WDHN News for The Wiregrass.
Hey, Newton.